In a world obsessed with digital convenience, a surprising trend is taking over Gen Z's wallets: cash stuffing. While most people are glued to their phones, using apps and cards for every purchase, a growing number of young adults are turning back the clock and embracing a hands-on approach to managing their money. Instead of swiping cards or tapping phones, these budget-savvy individuals are dividing their cash into labeled envelopes for groceries, gas, eating out, and more. Each envelope represents a specific spending category, making it easy to see exactly where every dollar is going. This old-school method is making a comeback, and social media is fueling its rise. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are filled with videos of people sharing their cash-stuffing journeys, inspiring others to give it a try. Why? Because it works. People are finding that this method helps them stick to their budgets and avoid overspending. Digital spending is easy to ignore until your bank balance vanishes. With just a few taps, it's easy to lose track of your spending and end up with less money than you expected. Cash stuffing forces you to see, touch, and manage your money in real time. It brings awareness to every purchase, making you think twice before spending. When the cash in an envelope is gone, so is your spending for that category. There's no room for accidental overspending or surprise charges. It's a visual, tactile system that creates instant feedback and real limits. You can literally see your progress and your boundaries. For many, it's a rebellion against the abstract nature of digital money. It's about regaining control and making financial decisions with intention. The method is simple: assign cash to categories, spend only what's in each envelope, and watch your savings grow. Over time, you'll develop better habits and a stronger sense of financial discipline. We'll break down how it works, why it's so effective, and how you can start today. Whether you're new to budgeting or looking for a fresh start, this system can help. You'll get practical tips, real-life stories, and a step-by-step guide to customizing the system for your life. Plus, you'll see how others have made it work for them. By the end, you'll see why this retro trend could be your secret weapon for saving money, no matter your age or financial goals. Ready to take control of your finances, one envelope at a time? The journey to mindful spending and real savings starts here. Let's dive in. Meet Sarah, a 23-year-old graphic designer who lived almost entirely on digital payments, tapping her phone for coffee, groceries, and even late-night snacks. But one day, her credit card bill spiraled out of control, leaving her overwhelmed and anxious about her finances. She realized she had no idea where her money was going. The convenience of digital spending made it easy to lose track. After stumbling upon a cash stuffing video online, she was inspired by how simple and visual the method seemed and decided to give it a try herself. On payday, she withdrew cash for her variable expenses and labeled envelopes: groceries, gas, eating out, shopping, personal care. Each envelope became a mini-budget, giving her a clear limit for every category. Dividing the cash was eye-opening. Her money felt real for the first time. When friends suggested pricey dinners, she checked her eating out envelope and chose cheaper options, learning to say no without guilt. Impulse buys. She waited until she had the cash in hand. This new habit made her rethink every purchase. By month's end, Sarah had money left over for the first time in a year, a small but powerful victory. That leftover cash went straight into savings, helping her build a safety net she'd never had before. The result: less anxiety, more control, and a growing sense of accomplishment. Cash stuffing turned her finances around, one envelope at a time, and gave her confidence in her decisions. She wasn't just tracking her money, she was telling it where to go. The system gave her boundaries, clarity, and peace of mind, making her feel empowered instead of restricted. Sarah's story is proof. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. If you're feeling lost in digital spending, cash stuffing could be your turning point too. It's not just about budgeting, it's about taking back control. Take control. Make your money work for you, and watch your financial confidence grow with every envelope you fill. Starting cash stuffing is easy. No apps or spreadsheets required. First, create a budget, review your income and expenses, then separate fixed costs, like rent, from variable ones, like groceries and gas. Assign realistic spending limits to each variable category. On payday, withdraw the total cash you've budgeted for those categories. Ask for small bills to make dividing easier. Label envelopes for each category and stuff them with the right amount. When you shop, take only the envelope you need. Spend only what's inside. When it's gone, you're done for the month. This hands-on approach makes your budget real and keeps overspending in check. Simple, visual, and effective. Cash stuffing works because it taps into our psychology, making us more aware of our spending habits in a way that digital payments simply can't match. Handing over cash triggers the pain of paying. You feel every dollar leave your hand, creating a real emotional connection to your money. With cards, spending is abstract and painless, making it easy to lose track. Swiping or tapping doesn't register the same way in your brain. Cash envelopes create friction. You see your money dwindle, and you pause before every purchase. Each envelope is a visual reminder of your limits. This real-time feedback curbs impulse buys and keeps you mindful. You're forced to think twice before making a purchase. If your fun money envelope is empty, you stop spending. No more, "I'll pay it off later." The limit is clear and immediate. The system enforces hard limits and instant consequences, helping you avoid overspending before it happens. Unlike credit cards, there's no room for denial or delay. You can't ignore the reality of an empty envelope. Cash stuffing forces you to make conscious choices with every dollar, encouraging you to prioritize what truly matters. It's budgeting you can see, touch, and trust. The physical act of handling cash makes your budget feel real and tangible. The result? Less debt, more savings, and a stronger sense of control. You build confidence with every dollar you save. For many, that's the difference between financial chaos and financial clarity. Cash stuffing brings order to your money. Cash isn't just old-fashioned, it's powerful. It gives you a sense of control that digital tools often lack. And in a digital world, that power is more relevant than ever. Sometimes, the simplest tools are the most effective for building real financial security. Digital payments are fast and convenient, but they make overspending dangerously easy. With a tap or swipe, money leaves your account almost invisibly. Credit cards let you spend money you don't have, fueling debt and buy now, pay later habits. Cash stuffing flips the script. You plan ahead, withdraw cash, and divide it into categories. Every purchase is deliberate, limited by the cash in your hand. The extra steps force you to engage with your budget, not just track it after the fact. For disciplined spenders, digital tools can work. But for most, cash stuffing offers structure, boundaries, and real control. It's not about tech versus tradition. It's about what helps you reach your goals. Choose the system that puts you in charge. New to cash stuffing, start small and be flexible. Your first budget won't be perfect. Use the first month to learn and adjust. If managing all expenses in cash feels overwhelming, pick just one or two problem categories like eating out or shopping. Track your spending, tweak your envelopes, and don't stress about mistakes. Handle loose change by keeping a coin jar. Turn it into a mini savings challenge. Make the process fun. Use colorful envelopes, stickers, or a binder you love. Turn stuffing sessions into a relaxing ritual. The more you enjoy it, the more likely you'll stick with it. Cash stuffing is about progress, not perfection. Celebrate every small win. Cash stuffing delivers real results. Just ask those who've tried it. Michael and Jessica, a young couple, saved $12,000 in a year by cutting back on eating out and impulse buys. Seeing leftover cash move into savings each month kept them motivated. Maria, a single mom, used envelopes to break the cycle of debt and finally build a safety net. She started small, protected her essentials, and slowly got ahead. Sinking funds for car repairs or holidays turned big expenses into manageable goals. The envelope system isn't just about saving, it's about peace of mind. It gives you control, clarity, and confidence. No matter your income, Cash stuffing can help you get ahead. The proof is in the stories and the growing stacks of saved cash. Try it and see the difference for yourself. The beauty of cash stuffing is its flexibility. Adapt the system to fit your pay schedule, monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly. Choose categories that match your life. Groceries, gas, pets, hobbies, or even date night. Add sinking funds for big, irregular expenses like holidays or car repairs. Stuff a little each payday and watch your savings grow. Don't be afraid to use a hybrid approach. Pay fixed bills online. Use cash for variable spending. The goal isn't cash-only perfection, it's control and awareness. If using cash for 80% of your spending works, that's a win. Make the system serve you, not the other way around. Personalize your envelopes, categories, and process. The more it fits your life, the more effective it will be. Cash stuffing is your tool. Make it work for you. Cash stuffing is more than a trend, it's a path to financial freedom. It's simple, tangible, and powerful. You don't need fancy apps, just a willingness to engage with your money. Start small. Pick one category, withdraw the cash, and use only what's in the envelope. Experience the difference of mindful spending. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The time to start is now. Every envelope is a step toward clarity, savings, and peace of mind. Take charge of your money $1 at a time. The journey begins with your first envelope. Your financial future is in your hands. Make it count.